In this lesson, we'll take a look at how to navigate around in 3D and how to switch between windowed views. 3D is nice, but not so much if you don't know how to navigate around in it. Also, the tasks of switching, tiling, and closing windows should be addressed at some time. Well, this is the time. The objective of this lesson is to help you get comfortable in 3D and in manipulating views. Open the file called Chapter 15 Complete and follow along. On the Quick Access toolbar, go ahead and click on the default 3D View button. To do what I'm doing right now, follow along. Hold down the Shift key, hold down the wheel button on your mouse. You notice that Revit gives you a pivot icon. This allows you to pivot around in a view. Also, we have what's called the View Cube. We can switch around to all the different views with this and go to the Home view, which is a basic isometric view. We can go to the front, we can go to the top, and we can also zoom around like this. We can grab one of the squares and actually physically zoom around on the square like that. Kind of neat. It's up to you if you like to do the Shift wheel button or if you like to use this. What I just did was I zoomed in. I zoomed out. To zoom in, you wheel the button away from you. To zoom out, you wheel it this way. Not too bad. We have predefined views. Zoom in region, which means you zoom in on a box. Zoom out ×2 means you can keep bumping out. Zoom to fit, which also, if you type ZA, zoom to fit works. You can zoom to sheet size. You can previous. Also, we have what's called the full navigation wheel. So follow me along. Let's go down to level 1 floor plans. Let's zoom in on this radial entry area here. We're going to jump ahead and create a cool view. You see the little house button we clicked on before. Go ahead and hit this drop down and click on camera. What we're going to do is pick a point like right about here, and we're going to beam it right at that staircase we have in there. And we're going to go past it to about here. Very cool. Slide open this window and slide this grip over a little bit so we can get a good look at it. Now, what I want to do is introduce the View Control toolbar. It's in a perspective view right now, but on the Visual Styles button that you see right here, go ahead and click that. Let's go to Realistic. It gives us a realistic view of what we're going to be modeling in this area. Now, let's go ahead and click on Full Navigation Wheel. And we have all these tools for us now. So let's go to Walk. What you got to do is just pick it and hold down the wheel button and move forward slowly. And you can start to walk around the model. Very neat function. If I zoom back a little bit and let go, oh, I went back too far, and I let go, you can use the up and down button. Go ahead and pick up and down. We can literally move all the way up and examine everything that's going on, right up to the top, right up through the roof, and back down again. We can go all the way up and let go of it, and we can use the look function. If you pick that and hold down, you can look around. We can look all the way down at the lobby, and we can look straight up. We can up, down, go down to the first floor, and use your walk command, and we can walk right through our entire model, through all of our doors, down the corridors we're going to be making, through this room, into this area, into a room here, another room. We can check out some cool ceilings we'll put in. Now, to get out of this view, just hit escape a couple times. Let me introduce to you windows. So essentially, we're in a view. If we go to our Quick Access toolbar, we'll see we have closed hidden windows, which means we have windows open in the background. Or we can switch windows. Go ahead and click the little drop down next to switch windows, and you'll see I have quite a few windows open. So we can go to any of these views that we want. Or if you want, you can click on Close Hidden Windows. Go ahead and click that button right now, Close Hidden Windows. Now let's go down to level 2 in our floor plans. And again, let's go to a 3D view. Now let's type WT, Window Tile. I have a couple more drawings open than you, but click into one and type ZA. It zooms every drawing to all, like we had done before. To close out of these views, you can just click on one of them, or to open one up, you can double click on the blue window, type ZA, and it zooms all again. So that's how you examine a model. Some users like holding down the Shift key plus wheel button combo while in 3D, while some just like using the view cube. I love the walk feature too, but remember, you need to be in a perspective view to do that.